Today we will answer an age-old question. Will furniture dollies work as truck dollies? Now in theory this should work for small vehicles like mine because each one of these can apparently hold 1,000 pounds. Now I think you could use just about anything if you really wanted to, but we're going to use a 2x12. And I'm going to just throw in some deck screws. And now I hammered some nails in here too, just to keep the wheels from moving. Nice. So the wheels have to be facing the same direction for it to move. So we're going to call this one a fail.